So this definitely isn't right. Probably gonna fall off there pretty soon. Let's see what we can do to fix this. Looks like we need I think they call them security bits, Torx, possibly. Let's see if we got one. All right, looks to be a T25. Some toolboxes might have them as a little socket type situation, but it's got a little dimple in the center here. So you can put it on this security bolt. Let's go ahead and take these off and see what's going on here. Okay, as you can see, there's definitely some play in this. I don't know if you can see it very good, but there's some play in this little rivet here. So what I'm going to try to do is just kind of smash it back together just to make it a little bit tighter. See that? Because eventually it's just going to fall apart. So let's see what we can do here. Okay, so what I finally ended up doing is finally just putting this in a vise. I have a bolt that has a little cupped area at the bottom of it to kind of fit around the end of the rivet there. I know this isn't the best way to do it, but we're just making do with what we have. Let's see what happens. Okay, so that worked. I got so it doesn't move around anymore. I went ahead and sprayed some WD-40 inside there because there's a spring in there, and if that rusts away and breaks, then that'll be a problem. So now we got it where we can open it, and I'll put it back on and let's see what's happening here. Okay, so there it is, standing up around someone. I don't know if they did that when they were new or not. This obviously had 145,000 miles when I got it. So yeah, just stays in place. Just clamped it together. What usually probably happens, I'm not totally sure, but either that rivet rusts out or just wears out over time, where the end flange just kind of disappears and it just falls out. A lot of the ads I see of used Wagoneers on Facebook and stuff is this is missing, so I didn't want mine to be missing. I saw it was getting pretty loose, so I don't know, it might still fall off someday, but at least now it's on there. I don't know if you guys know if there was ever like a Jeep sticker here or anything here. I didn't see any pictures, but maybe somebody knows. Looks like it'd be the perfect place for something. But yeah, looks pretty good. Like I said, I put some WD-40 inside there now, so hopefully it'll not rust for a while. Yeah, so that's good. So now it won't be flopping around. Well, probably won't be flopping around too much. Just a little bit when driving. Yeah, there you go. Easy fix. Oh, and that was a T25 bit. Hey guys, thanks for watching. And remember, this video is not for educational purposes. It's for entertainment purposes only, because I have no idea what I'm doing. Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.